Live Blitz game, f4, knight f3. I'm expecting d5, followed by bishop g4. Oh, locked it in. Locked the bishop in. What is he on? That was abnormal. Move my pieces around like that. I'll move them like this. See who's who. See who's who. So what's plan? I actually like and open things up after that funny f6 move. What a character. Yeah. Yeah, this guy's a character. Looks like a strong position now against me. Okay. What's the plan? Create a plan, right? This plan today is to celebrate the f2 square for his knight that would harass my bishop there is gone. And get queenside pawn play. Not you, dude. You can't get me like that. Queen out. Queen d7, bishop f2, rook a, e8, b4, a6, a4, bishop d6. Oh no, he moved the rook to the d file. Oh, I have some insidious plans against that myself, including b5. a4. Knight c8. Knight b3. Knight c5. With queen c6, rook e to b1. Looks like a good play, and then this bishop's diagonal was strong. See? I know these positions in these endgames. The b pawn is starting to look suspect. You must push that. Yet I have a tempo on the queen. First with my b pawn. Never say b pawn again. Okay. So his queen goes back, and then maybe my knight can come in to e6. Right there. Knight e6. Rook has to come to d7 to protect c7. That looks tasty. I guess the rook didn't have to go there. Got your pawn of a C parsley, 1492, and your rook. Yeah, that bishop's diagonal was killer. Yeah, he didn't even recapture my knight yet. Means just ditch it for a pawn. What can we expect out of c4? Any special prizes? It's actually good pawn play. Oh, it would have been good pawn play because then he can't recapture on b6 with his pawn, with his knight taking his pawn. Good game.